Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 1000 amp 12 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This has been tested and checked out. Great working condition. We'll get that running for you in a second. Show you guys the nameplate really quick. Overall dimensions 36 inches length, 20 inches width, 46 inches high. This is wired for 460 3-phase. This is a tap switch, water cooled rectifier. Get that going for you right now. And bring you over to the oscope. This is the ripple. It's a great working unit. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call here at the office. Phone number 616-887-8300, or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.